Need to find the fuse boxes in your 2023 Chevrolet Equinox? Looking for a clear diagram to identify which fuse controls what? This guide will show you the locations of the fuse boxes and provide a detailed diagram to help with any electrical troubleshooting. Let's dive in to ensure you can easily handle any fuse-related issues. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox protects essential systems like the engine, cooling fans, and headlights. It features well-labeled fuses and relays for easy identification and troubleshooting. The fuse block has a weather-resistant seal to protect against moisture and debris. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox controls interior systems like infotainment, power windows, and lighting. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and quick troubleshooting. Its compact design allows for convenient access behind the glove box. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox manages fuses for rear systems like taillights, rear wipers, and power liftgate. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy troubleshooting and maintenance. The fuse block is securely enclosed behind a trim panel, protecting it from dust and debris. Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.